I've set the gauge up to 52.8. One of the things that you can do, since the cuts are all the same, you can make a mark where the first cut goes. For all the rest of them, you don't have to lay this process out each time. You can take a tri-square, run your lengths here, and simply look at that mark and walk on down the line. We're cutting these a little bit because I'm not using them as a stair stringer. If I was, I wouldn't take it all the way to past the point, but I want to show you how these things fall out. Now swing it to 37.2. At this point, we can measure down for our 7 9/16, which is going to land right on this point here. And then we need to decide how much we need to add or subtract for the finished floor thickness. If this were a deck stair, we would simply subtract the same amount as the material that's going to go on top. Now you can see by the use of the chop saw, you're going to get a 90-degree corner. You're going to get a very straight cut, and it should be fairly apparent that it's a pretty fast process. Same layout process then for all additional ones, where instead of having to lay out and mark each one, you've got an index point on the chop saw, you'd have another one over here or index off of the first cut line. You get very crisp, sharp corners, and when you lay them out, one of the things you look for is that each point lands on a line. We don't have any up and down.